Hi everyone! In this lesson, we are going to learn 3 characters that kind of look like the character 上. If you remember from Yoyo 300, 上 means up, top, or above. Let's get started. Our first character is pronounced 卡. It means card as a noun. It also pronounced 卡, meaning get stuck, mainly as a verb. But we're going to only focus on its 卡 sound as a noun. This is how 卡 is written, stroke by stroke. We can break down the character 卡 as a combination of the characters 上 and 下. The character for top, 上, will be on top, and the character for bottom, 下, will be on the bottom. Easy enough, right? Just remember to merge the 2 horizontal lines, the yi, for those 2 characters into one in order to make 卡. I think 卡 looks like an arrowhead stuck in the wall. You can see that the arrowhead has caused 2 cracks into a vertical wall, one on each side of it. That's how I remember how this word is written. Let's look at some examples of Chinese vocabulary with 卡. For the first example, we have 卡车. Interestingly, 卡车 is actually a borrowed word from English. It comes from the word pickup truck. The cup sound from pickup was phonetically translated into 皮卡. Do you hear the similarities? So, pickup trucks were therefore translated to 皮卡车, and trucks were called 卡车. Cool, right? Let's use 卡车 in a sentence. Read it with me. 我的卡车坏了. Great! That was very good. Now, let's look at one more example of how 卡 is used. Read it with me. 卡片. This means card. We will learn the character for 片 in just a moment. 卡片 can refer to any type of card, but most commonly refers to greeting cards. You can add the name of a holiday before 卡片 to refer to specific type of greeting cards. For example, 生日卡片 means birthday card. Do you remember how to write happy birthday in Chinese? That's right, it is 生日快乐. We learned these characters in our first character course, and here we are, putting them into action in a 生日卡片. Great job! Now, let's move on to our second character. This character is pronounced 片. It is a measure word that is commonly used in front of a word like bread or leaf. 片 is also the second half of the word for card, 卡片. Now you know both of these characters. This is how 片 is written, stroke by stroke. To me, 片 looks like a curved dagger slicing a 十 in half, leaving it in 2 pieces. Can you see that? What story can you come up with to remember this character? Let's learn how 片 is used with the word 名片. 名片 means business card. Whenever you're meeting someone in a business setting, it's good practice to ask for their 名片. But how do I do that? I'm glad you asked. Here's something you would say. 请问你有名片吗? Try this sentence the next time you're at a networking event. Alright, now let's take a look at the last character in this lesson. Our last character for this lesson is 止. It means stop or end. This is how 止 is written, stroke by stroke. Notice that 止 looks just like a crossing guard stopping the child from crossing the road. Can you imagine the child and the crossing guard with his arm up? Excellent. You can also see that 止 looks a lot like 上, but with an extra small vertical line on the left. Notice the similarities? Alright, let's keep going. 止 is usually combined with 不 to make the word 不止. It means not only or more than. Read it with me. 他不止30岁. Good. 不止30岁 means not only 30 years old, or in other words, more than 30 years old. Okay, let's look at one more example for 止. Read it with me. 到8点为止. The 到something 为止 structure means until. You can substitute in another times instead of 8点. For example, you can say, read it with me. 比赛到明天为止. Great! You will learn the character for 赛 later on in this series. This sentence means the competition goes on until tomorrow. 为止 lets us know that tomorrow is kind of a deadline for the competition. Ka, 片 止. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. You did a great job with these new characters. Keep up the hard work and 下次见. This lesson was from our Chinese character course 2. In it, I'll teach you the most common Chinese characters 300 to 600. The first few units of the course are free on our website, yoyochinese.com. So sign up and see how our building block approach makes learning characters easy and fun. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.